So hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to see Accenture aptitude questions. And as you all know that Accenture off-campus drive is open now, and very soon the written exam will be going to happen. And if you have not yet applied, you can find the application link on my channel, and from there you can apply it. And for the coming written test, you can prepare for the aptitude, reasoning, and also for the verbal ability questions from different videos that I have posted on my channel. You can check the playlist section of my channel, where I have created separate playlist according to company wise, where I have posted all the interview experiences and all the rounds that are usually covered in the recruitment drive of different companies. So without wasting much time, let's start with our first question. So our first question is: four women and five men working together can do three times the work done by two men and one man, two women and one man together. Calculate the work of a man to that of a woman. So basically, in this types of question, what we have to do is we have to first take the data that is given to us. That is, first of all, it is given that four women and five men uh, together can do three times the work done by two women and one man. So three times the work done by two women and one man. So we got this equation. Now we have to find the calculate the work of a man to that of a woman. So now when we will solve this equation, we will get a simplified equation in terms of man and woman. So let's solve this first. So six women and three men and four women and five men. When we subtract 6 from 4, we get 2 women, and 5 minus 3, we get 2 men. So now the ratio that we get is 1:1, or ratio of what we have to find is calculate the work of a man to a woman. That is man divided by woman. That will be equals to 2 by 2. So it will be 1:1. So the correct answer for this question will be A. The work done by man to that of a woman will be 1:1. So this will be the answer. So answer is option A. So in this way, if you get these types of question, you can solve it very simply by simplifying the equation and calculating the ratio. Moving on to the next question now. So this is a equation kind of question where we have to solve this equation and find the square root of this. So first of all, what we will do is we will write the question that is given to us simply: 456 divided by 12 plus 142 minus 11. Now what we have to do is we have to simplify this equation and find the answer. Now in this case, first of all, what we will do is we will check the BODMAS rule. So in this case, B is bracket, and then similarly we will be moving forward and we'll check what all are the different signs that we occur. So first of all, we have to solve the division, as you can see. Okay, so division as in 456 divided by 12, so we will get the answer as 38 when we will solve this. So now the next thing is 1 plus 142 and minus 11. So when we will add 142 and 38 and subtract 11 from it, we will get 169. So as we all know, the square root of 169 is 13. So the correct answer for this question will be option B. Simply, this was a simple question, and these kinds of questions are only generally asked in the written rounds. So it will be good if you have practiced in advanced. So the next question is, now we have to solve this equation. So write the equation first. 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by question mark equals 216. We have to find the value of question mark basically. So what we will do is we will simplify these terms first. So 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 by 5 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into, let's consider this question mark as x, and now we will find the value of x. So we will have with us 216 into 5 into 2 divided by 6 into 3, which gives us the answer as, when we will cancel these two terms, we will get 36 over here, and then on further cancelling we will get 12. So 12 into 5 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120. So the correct answer for this question is 120, which is option number D. So the answer for this question is answer D. So this was another type of question that is that was previously asked. So in many cases, as already seen, regularly these kinds of questions are only asked, so it is very scoring easy to score these uh, answers. So let's move on to the next question. So now we will see some different types of questions. As you can see, this is a series based question. So in this we have to solve the series and find the what will be the next term in this series. Okay, so let's write the series first. 18, 10, 8, 9, 11.5. Okay, so now we have to find the what will be coming in the next term. So from 18, if we will see, so when we will do 18 by 2, we will get 9, and then we will add 1 to it, we will get 10. Okay, so the next term will be 10. So when we will do 10 by 2 and we will add 3 to it, we will get 8. And similarly, when we will do 8 by 2, that is 4, when we will add 4 with 5, we will get 9. And then 9 by 2 plus 7, when we will do, we will get 11.5. Similarly, in this case, if we will see 11.5, when we will divide it by 2 and then the next odd term, that is 9, when we will add that, we will get 14.75 as the answer. So the next term in the series will be 14.75. So the correct answer for this question is option number D, that is 14.75. Now I would like you to tell one thing, that before answering, like seeing the solution of these questions, I would want you to pause the video and just try solving it on your own. And if you can't do it, you can definitely see the solutions, but it is a good practice to think once before solving it, before directly seeing the answers, so that you get like a nice understanding of the question on your own also. Moving on with the next question now. The average age of man and his son is 28 years. The ratio of their ages is 3:1 respectively. What is the man's age? So we have different option for the age of man. So first of all, let's see, the total sum of man and his son's age is given as 28 years. So we are given the average is given to us. So we will first of all calculate the total sum. So total sum of man and son. Okay, so it will be 28 into 2, since average is given to us, so we will calculate the average total from the average, so it will be 56. Now the ratio of their ages is given as 3:1. So ratio of their ages, which is given to us in the question, is 3:1. Now we have to calculate the age of men, right? So we know that the ratio corresponding to the man is 3. So what we will do in this types of question, if you are asked, so what we will do first of all is, you will take the uh, ratio of men, and then upon that you will do the total of both the ratios into the total age of man and whatever the other person is, that is son. So in this way, when we will solve this equation, we will get the answer, that is 3 by 4 into 56, which gives us the answer as 42. So these types of questions are very easy, but you just have to know the approach. If you have never solved this, it might be difficult for you to remember at that time and reach to the conclusion. So it will be good if you have practiced beforehand. So the correct answer for this question is option number D, 42 years. Now let's see the next question. If tan theta plus cot theta equals 2, then the value of tan 2 theta plus cot 2 theta is. So basically, we have to solve this equation somehow to get the answer for this value. Okay, so first of all, let's write this. Tan theta plus cot theta equals 2. Now we know that when we will do the square of this equation, we can get this term, right? So basically, actually this is not 2 theta, this is tan square theta. let me make it clear to you so that you don't get confused. It is tan square theta plus cot square theta. So since it is typed, it is like there is a typo over here. It is tan square theta plus cot square theta. So when we will do the square of this equation, that is, we will do square on both sides. So what we will get is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta equals 4. Okay, so now we want the answer for this value, so we will be writing it like this: tan square theta plus cot square theta equals 4 minus 2 tan theta cot theta. Now if you remember, the value of tan theta into cot theta is 1, so we will be getting 4 minus 2. So the correct answer for this will come as 2. I will just write it over here: tan theta plus cot theta equals 1. So in this way we have considered this as 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A, that is 2. Moving on to the next question. So again, a series based question. Here in this case we have to find the next term in the series. Before looking at the solution, I would suggest you to please try it on your own, and then just if you don't if you are not able to recollect from yourself, you can check the solution. So let's see the solution now. So we have this given series: 15, 32, 60, 122 and 240. So what will be the next term in the given series? Okay, so first of all, how we can reach to the next second term from the first term is 15 into 2 plus 2 gives us 32. Okay, then we will take 32 into 2 minus 4, which will give us 60. Similarly, we will move to the next step: 60 into 2 minus plus 2 will give us 122. Again moving like this: 122 into 2 minus 4. Alternatively, we have to do plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 4. So in this way we will get 240. And again when we will do 240 into 2, so now in this step we have to do plus 2. So 240 into 2 is 480. 482 we will be getting 240 into 2 is 480. 480 plus 2 is 482. So the correct answer from the given options is option B. So the answer for this question is option number B, that is 482. So this was another series based question. So this type of questions are regularly being asked. As you can see that these are not very tough questions, very easy only. Since if you have practiced once, it will be very easy for you to crack this round. So now this is the last question. I have taken it for your reference to solve. So I want all of you to solve this question and post the answer of this question in the comment sections. And if you have any doubt regarding any question or this question even, you can ask in the comment section. So I'll be answering that in the comment as well. Or if you have any general doubt related to the recruitment process of Accenture or any other company, you can ask that too. I will be more than happy to answer your queries. So that's all for this video. We will be seeing another set of questions in some other video, and apart from them I will be creating a different video for reasoning round also. What are the questions that are being asked in reasoning round? So for if you want to see that, you can check the playlist section in the channel. Thank you.